today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I have a very big warning to tell you. And this is during a time where everyone, I have to say, including me, is very bullish on Bitcoin. Of course, I am having this 5-6 million US dollar trade open right now, which is raking in crazy profits. So you are saying probably, Chris, what the heck are you talking about? What kind of warning you want to tell me? Well, hear me out, because especially now, while things are going crazy, while everything is green, this warning is more important than ever. Of course, let's go straight into it. But before we are doing that, guys, please like this video, share it, be a subscriber to that channel. Now let's go straight into it. I want to keep it very short, but I would really like to ask you for the engagement on that video. It really helps to spread the news, and it is now very important. So as you can see, we got to this big pump for Bitcoin, right? And yes, my trade is still open. My trade is, especially since that pump, raking in significant profits. The Bitcoin trade, 92 Bitcoin, 93 Bitcoin in a profit. The Ethereum trade, more than 200 Ethereum in a profit. In total, we are talking about almost 5.5 million US dollars on this trade. However, I want to tell you, it's not just gonna continue like this until the halving. We are going to see, not necessarily today, maybe after hitting the price target, which I am going to mention here in this video still, but we are going to see a significant retracement within that time frame. And if I am zooming out here, you can see this is the weekly candles for Bitcoin, and they are perfectly respecting here support and resistance. Beautiful. What we can also see is these vertical lines here. These vertical lines, as you can see them right here, they are the Bitcoin halvings. 2024, it's going to happen approximately in April. 2020, it happened in May 2020. Then we had also in 2016, July and November 2012. Well, what we can see every single time before the halving, we see a front run, but then every time we are seeing a big dump down just before the halving, a few weeks before. We are every time, let me go back to 2016. Just a second, guys. Every time before the halving, we are seeing a dump. Here, even a dump into the halving. And also, even though I don't like to use this as an example, because back then, not too many people cared about the halving. The market was also very small. But even here in 2012, we got a front run and a dump into the halving. And this is because, of course, in the beginning, the front run is rewarding all the early people, right? But then we have some laggards coming in pretty late and buying because of the halving. Usually those people need to be punished. These people need to be washed out. And that is what's most likely going to happen. So now, what is the price target for Bitcoin? Well, let's talk about that. And I am bullish on Bitcoin. I do expect higher price levels on Bitcoin as well. I actually mentioned the price target in the last video, in the one before. I mean, since ages, but especially also in the last videos, I mentioned my price target of, let me go into it, 57,000 US dollars. This is still possible. But if you are not exposed right now in Bitcoin, if you buy and hold for at least a year, okay, that's fine. But if you want to open a leveraged trade, I would say maybe not the best moment. Yes, it might go to 57, but it is not a certainty. That is for sure. And I am staying in my trade here for now. I am going to take partial profit somewhere around the 57,000 US dollar price levels. But yes, guys, if I wouldn't be exposed in a trade, I would not do that. Also, by the way, guys, just quickly before I continue, I really appreciate all of your comments. I mean, I just went into the last video, the one before, the GOAT himself smashing it with a $5 million profit. You're the most accurate predictor of Bitcoin this year. Bravo. This is beautiful. Someone was also saying, this is weird. I didn't get YouTube notifications for your last 4 videos. What the heck is happening? Well, that's why you need to be subscribed to the channel, and you need to press this little bell icon and press on all to make sure that you decide when you are getting the notifications on these videos. That is what I wanted to say. And of course, if you want to be trading as well, down below you get a 30,000 US dollar free bonus. Click register, deposit, 15-20 seconds, you claim 30,000 US dollars, up to 30,000, and you can trade with that as well if you're an experienced trader. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye.